Our marking and mortise gauge solves many layout problems in the shop. Unlike thick pencil lines, when you use a scribed layout line cut by a marking pen, you score a very fine reference line to start your chisel, handsaw, or power tool cut. This 6 1/4 inch long ebony and brass gauge features both a single and a double marking pin. The single pin side is for marking accurate scribing. The hardened alloy marking pins are very sharp and score your material beautifully, even against the grain, while the double knife side is used for mortise layout. The two pins can close to create a 1/4 inch gap or extend to be 2 inches apart. Position the large reference fence to set your scribe line in the exact location needed, then lock in place with the hefty brass thumb screw. Achieve successful layouts and cut with confidence when you mark your cuts with our premium quality marking and mortise gauge.